In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to link your credit card here to your iPhone device so you can actually link both your credit along with your iPhone device so you can pay seamlessly here using the wallet application in here by simply, for example, going to a supermarket or a Target store and simply tapping your phone at the vendor POS machine, and in just a few seconds you'll be hearing the beep sound that represents the payment that was just made. And you do not need to insert your PIN anymore. You're going to use your Face ID to actually unlock this and make the payment happen. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do help you fixing tech related issues and also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now please note that this process works both with Visa cards as well as MasterCards. In my case, I'll be trying this Visa card in here. Of course, it's already expired, but it's just for showcase purposes in here on how you can actually set up this process real quick. Now please note that you need to be in a region that allows this. For example, if you are in a specific region that doesn't allow this to work, I am not responsible if you face any issues with your law or with your government for using this feature, which is still not allowed to be used in there. It's very interesting, it's very convenient, it allows us to pay seamlessly without any issue, and of course we are now in the digital world where technology rules the world, so it's very interesting to be updated with this feature. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial in here. Let's hop into wallet real quick. Let's tap here on plus to add the card. In a few seconds, your phone, should have allowed you to insert the details of the card. But if you find this error in here which says add cards to wallet, to add cards, keys, tickets, and passes to wallet, ask for the add to wallet button in the apps, emails, and websites. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. This is probably because you may be in a situation where your location doesn't allow you. Now, you may also be in a wrong location accidentally, so I'm going to show you how to change your region if that's the case. Let's hop into settings real quick and then let's scroll down, but before changing the region, try adding it from here as well. Hop into wallet real quick and then simply tap on add card and see if the problem gets sorted out. It wasn't sorted out. We still have the problem in here, and even if I tap on learn more, there's nothing in here that is useful for us right now. Okay, it's just informative, a lot of data in here that we actually do not need right now. So let's quickly go back into settings, go all the way up here to general, which is right in the second stack of settings. Tap on general, scroll down all the way to language and region, tap on it, and then you want to tap on region, and you want to change your region to a specific region that allows you to make payments. Right now, if you are in a region where you're not allowed to proceed with this type of payments, of course I wouldn't recommend you to do so to avoid any issue with the law. I'm not responsible, as I've said, but in my case, for example, let me quickly let's go with UK, for example. Let me tap on keep English US. It's changing my region real quick. Now this will essentially allow me to link any card in here to a wallet. There we go. Let me go back, and now let me tap on wallet and let me tap on plus in here to insert the card details. As you can see, now it allows me to add a card, and all I need to do is tap on debit or credit card in here to start adding my credit card to my Apple Wallet account. Now, if you're unable to open up this yet, if it still doesn't allow you, I would recommend you to perform a forced restart after changing your region, because you may be in a situation where you've changed your region but your phone didn't update yet. The processes are still not yet well updated. So in order to perform a forced restart, if you do have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, I've got an iPhone 16 in my case in here, you're going to rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button continuously for approximately 7 to 8 seconds. Keep on pressing the power button continuously without stopping, and in no time you'll be able to see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release the power button and let your phone turn on normally. What this essentially does is it force restarts your phone, cuts all the power from the motherboard, and then it turns your phone back on as if it's coming from a deep sleep. Okay, it refreshes all the processes and settings that you've recently done in here in terms of changes, and it doesn't delete any data, so you do not need to worry about your data. I actually recommend performing a forced restart every 7 to 15 days just to ensure that your phone processes much smoother. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, you need to press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press press and hold it continuously for 7 to 8 seconds until you see the Apple logo, and then release both of the buttons combination. Now, if you do have an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5 or an iPhone that has a physical home button down here, in order to perform the forced restart, you just need to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button for approximately 7 to 8 seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, you're going to release the buttons combination and let your phone turn on normally. Now, please note that in much older iPhone devices, such as an iPhone 4 or 5, the power button is usually located here at the top. So instead of pressing and holding the home button with the power button at the right, you want to press the home button along with the power button at the top, press continuously until you see the Apple logo, and then release the buttons. There we go. Let me just quickly unlock my phone. Next up, you want to hop again back into Wallet and see if now it's allowing you to add your details. There we go. It's asking me to wait for a couple seconds. I've just restarted, so I'm now connected to the internet. Let me tap again. Debit or credit card. So let's tap on continue, and then it's going to ask you to actually place the card at the back of your phone. Okay, for example, here we go. I do have my card in here. Let me quickly add the back part of my card here. Okay, I just need to tap it. This is how it goes. Keep on tapping. It's going to add your card. It's going to contact the card issuer. This takes a few seconds. Your card already has NFC, and that's how your phone recognizes it. Unfortunately, in my case, my issuer does not yet offer support to this card, but what's actually happening is that my card is actually expired, out of date, but I'm just showing you the regular process on how you can do this. Now, for your case, it's going to work, of course. It's not my case because mine is expired. Alternatively, you can also enter the card details manually here by typing in the name of the card, which is written right here, and then the card number. Next up, simply tap on continue to follow up with the next steps. On the next steps, of course, it's going to ask you for your address and your number, basic details related to your billing address. So every time you pay, it's convenient and everything runs smoothly, right? Now, what I would recommend you guys also to do in order to make it more convenient, whenever you want to pay, you can simply double tap in here, and then that screen from where you can actually pay, or simply the wallet app will launch that will allow you to pay in just a few seconds. If double clicking the power button doesn't bring up the wallet application, you can hop into settings, scroll down all the way to wallet and Apple Pay down here, and then down here by scrolling down, you can tap here on Apple Pay defaults, and then you do have an option which says double click side button. Okay, so you can simply turn this on to allow you to double tap, and then the app will launch, and then you'll be able to pay conveniently. If you don't wish to turn on this feature, you can simply toggle it off and simply pay by always opening up the wallet app whenever you wish to make a payment. Now, this is how easy you can actually turn your phone into an NFC card and make payments conveniently at the supermarket, at the restaurant, or any place. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.